Students, in maths we have started chapter 4 subtraction. Today we will do exercise 4.6. In this exercise we will start a new topic. The name of the topic is estimating the differences. For this topic first we have to revise rounding of the numbers. In first chapter we have done, but we will revise it once. So any number we can round off them by 10 and by 100. If the number is less than 5, then we will decrease the number, and if it is more than 5, we will increase the number. Such like this, if number is less than 50 in hundreds, then we will decrease the number, and if it is more than 50, we will increase the number. For example, I am taking two examples. This is 12. This one digit is less than 5, so it becomes 10. And this is 17. In this, at one's place there is 7. 7 is more than 5, so it becomes 20. In case of hundreds, if two digits are less than 50, it will decrease. If two digits are more than 50, it will increase. Such like example, it is 134. 34 is less than 50, so it becomes 100. And in this figure, 78 is more than 50. These two digits, this is ones, this is tens. We will take two digits. 78 is more than 50, so it becomes 200. So we will take one example. In this sum, 4316, here is 2845. So we will estimate the value nearest to 10. So first we will minus this. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 4 is not possible. We will take 1 from this. Here becomes 2, and here it is 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 2 minus 8 is not possible. We will take 1 from here. It becomes 3, and it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Here 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we have to estimate the value nearest to 10. It is 16. So it is more than, this digit is more than 5. It is 6. It becomes 4320. 16 becomes 20. And here 5 is given, so it also increased to the next number. It becomes 2800. 45 becomes 50. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 12 minus 5, we will take 1 from here. It becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here remains 2. 2 minus 8 is not possible. We will take 1 from here. Here is 3. Now it becomes 12 minus 8 becomes 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the value comes 1470. It is estimated value, and here is actual value. Difference of actual value is 1471. So what is the difference between actual and estimated value? The difference is of 1 only. With estimated value, difference is 1470, and actual value is, the difference is 1471. So difference is only 1. We will take one more example. In this sum we have 6618. So this is actual value, and we have to estimate the value. So it is more than 5. It becomes 66 and 20. Now here is also 8 at one's place. It is more than 5. It also becomes 28 becomes 30. So we have to find, first we will find actual value difference. 8 minus 8 is 0. Here is A1. 1 becomes 11 because we have taken 1 from here. Here is 5. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now estimated value. Find the difference between estimated value. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here is 2. 2 becomes 12 because we have taken 1 from here. Here is 5. Now 12 minus 3 is 9. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. So here comes equal values. 5090. Here also 5090. There is no so much.